Welcome to Duvamis, the first network that allows you to be yourself, rather than the persona imposed by social norms. Through guaranteed anonymity, the Duvamis community members can communicate freely without being judged and express who they really are, thus discovering what truly makes them happy. While traditional social networks require personal information, Duvamis only requires a valid email from its users. Neither do we request nor store any kind of personal data from our users. Through this method, we guarantee user anonymity, allowing open communication without the restrictions of fear or judgment. In order to start your Duvamis experience, you need to register. Click on the Become a Member button on your left. A registration form will pop up. Here you must enter your email and password. Keep in mind that you need to be over the legal age in your country to register with Duvamis. After you finish with your registration, you will receive an email to verify your account. Enter your email and click on the verification link in our message. Now you're good to go. Enter the Duvamis homepage, and on the right, you will find a Login tab. Enter your email and password and immerse yourself in the world of Duvamis. The first thing you need to do when you enter Duvamis is create a virtual vision. This is your profile, an identity you draw from your imagination. Choose your name. Keep in mind that you are in no way obliged to give your real name. Then upload your avatar, the picture of your virtual vision. Again, we advise against putting up your real picture unless you really want to. Then enter your title. This is the title of the story of your vision. Then enter your description. What do you want others to know about your vision? Click on the Create Vision button and you're ready to start your journey. Now that you're in, you may want to know what is what. On the top left, you will see the Duvamis time. It measures the time spent since the creation of a Duvamis. By clicking on the question mark, you may see how Duvamis time translates to common time. On the upper right side, you'll find the following buttons. Public shows the activity of the people you interact with. Legio shows the activity of the members of your legion, but more on that later. Invite shows the conversation invitations from other users. Talks shows your ongoing conversations. Followed shows the activity of the visions you follow. Check on them regularly to be in touch with your interactions. On the left side of the screen is your Profile tab. You will see the vision you are currently using. Be able to change it. Create a new vision, edit an existing vision, see your public conversations, delete a vision, and see your media center. Below your Profile tab is a list of your close visions, the people you often interact with, or the people interested in your profile. You may have noticed that the Duvamis screen is divided in two. The left side is your fountain, and the right side is the arena. You may use the left side to search and post content, express yourself, ask questions, or start conversations. To do this, choose a field where you want to post. Duvamis is for informational and educational content. Attitudes is to share your thoughts and feelings, and polls are to pose questions to the Duvamis world. Try experimenting with the options. Add a title, description, media, and so on to the content you post. Add tags to your post so that it may be found more easily. On the right side, your arena shows you what is happening outside yourself. Here you may explore the content others post, view their virtual visions, engage in conversation, and comment on conversations. The arena is your link to the others in Duvamis. For instance, if I want to engage in a conversation with someone whose content I find interesting and appealing, I click on his profile picture to view his profile. In my fountain, I may choose to write to that vision in a public conversation, where everybody else can read and comment, or I can choose to write in a Legio conversation, just between the two of us, and that conversation stays absolutely anonymous. When you send your message, you are actually sending an invitation to a conversation. If the vision accepts, you may start chatting. Once you have started, you may always go to private by clicking Legio Talk, invite to an existing or a new legion, or view or comment on the conversation. This is the end of part 1 of our tutorial. In the second tutorial video, we will show you how the freedom in Duvamis leads to discovering your true self.